show you how to use the Simply DIY Dent and Ding Repair Kit. Let's get to work. The first step is you're going to want to insert the glue sticks that comes in the box into the glue gun and heat it up for 10 to 15 minutes. The second step is make sure you get to clean your dent. You can use a release agent that we provide inside the box as well as the cloth also provided. So just spray and clean. The third step for the Ding and Dent Repair Kit is you apply the glue directly to the dent and then you put on the puller tab. You want to hold it in and make sure it's really good in there. And wait 10 seconds. And then once you got that situated, there is this bridge in which you can loop over the puller tab. I'm just making sure it's real good on there. And then you put on the bridge, and you have this nut that attaches onto the puller tab. And it's very simple. All you have to do is it sort of just pries out the dent. Slowly turn it. You can see it popped out the dent. Now once you heard the pop, you take it back off. And this is the next step of taking off the puller tab. If you need help, you can use a release agent. You can take it off and pry off the glue. Now the last step is that you can clearly tell that while it did pull out the dent and it looks a lot better, you can keep repeating the process until all the dents have been taken out of your car.